How to fix your slow PC on Windows 11. So what I really recommend is first do this. So go to your Windows, simply just type run, and then type and click that. And as you can see here, you will see and you will need to type msconfig. And then after that, simply just check some boots, and in the startup, you will see there if you have an app that's running on startup that you don't need. Like for example, you have Google starting up right after you boot your PC. You'll want to disable that by simply just clicking the button and then clicking apply and then OK. And then what you need to do next is typing run again, then type prefetch. Now, what you need to do here is copy all the files in the prefetch. So simply just select it all and then delete all the files. And then wait for it to delete. And if you see this, simply just skip those files. Now, what you need to do is do that again. So type run and then type percentage temp, percentage. And then simply delete everything again. As you can see here, delete all of this. And then wait for it to load. As you can see, that's a lot of file. So these are what's causing the lag. And now wait for it to finish. And then once you see that thing again, you can just skip them all as well. Do this for all current items. Now, the last thing you want to do is simply going to the Windows again and type this cleanup. Now in here, you will be able to delete some unnecessary files that you have on your PC. Like as you can see here, some cached, some window errors, and even the recycle bin. Simply just choose all of those and simply press OK, and it will start deleting those files. And from there, your PC should start being faster than usual. And that's how you fix your slow PC on Windows 11.